The last thing we want to quickly go over is the BlueStar oven. Much like all the other BlueStar products, it is available in one of 1,000 RAL customized colors. So if it's available from RAL, you can get it in this oven. As you'll notice, this is a French door. So the doors will open away from one another. The great part about that is you can get in here very easily to pull out something heavy. You've got 3 racks inside, as this is a convection oven. And we do have 1 rollout rack. So what's nice is this rollout rack is adjustable. So if you have that heavy turkey or ham, you can adjust this all the way to the bottom, and then you'll have a quick, easy rollout rack. From a function standpoint, this oven's going to offer bake, broil, 2 different broil options, high and low. You're going to have a convection roast. There is a baking stone option. So if you were a baker or wanted to do pizza, you were doing breads, you can use that baking stone. There is a proofing option to raise that dough at a very, very low temperature. And then there is a dehydration feature on this oven. So there's a lot of features available. It is available to be stacked. So if you wanted 2 separate units, you can stack these. If you have any questions, go to donsappliances.com, and thank you for watching.